What do you usually eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually have something light but healthy. I often eat toast with eggs or oatmeal with fruit. On busy mornings, I just grab a banana and a cup of tea or coffee. I think eating breakfast is important because it gives me energy and helps me stay focused during the day.
What do you like to do on your day off?
On my day off, I like to relax and do things I enjoy. Sometimes I sleep a little longer, watch a good movie, or go outside for a walk. If the weather is nice, I might meet up with a friend or go shopping. It's also a good time to organize things at home or plan for the week ahead.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
My favorite app is probably YouTube because I use it for both entertainment and learning. I watch videos in English, follow channels about language, and even listen to music. I also use a dictionary app when I don't understand new words. I think my phone is a great tool when I use it wisely.
Do you enjoy talking to new people?
Yes, I enjoy talking to new people, especially if we have something in common. At first, I might feel a little shy, but once I start the conversation, I feel more comfortable. I think it's interesting to learn about other people's lives, opinions, and cultures. Talking to new people also helps improve my English skills.
What do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I like to take it easy. After finishing work or school, I have dinner, then relax by watching TV or listening to music. Sometimes I review English lessons or practice speaking. I try to go to bed at a regular time so I can wake up feeling fresh the next day.
How do you usually celebrate holidays?
I usually celebrate holidays with my family. We prepare special meals, decorate the house, and sometimes invite relatives or neighbors. Some holidays are quiet, while others are more exciting with music and games. I enjoy holidays because they bring people together and create happy memories.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I really enjoy learning new things. I like to challenge myself and grow as a person. Learning English is one of my favorite activities because it helps me communicate with people around the world. I also enjoy learning about technology, cooking, or even simple life tips from books and videos.
What is your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
My favorite thing to do on a rainy day is to stay inside and do something cozy. I love drinking hot tea or coffee while reading a book or watching a relaxing movie. If I feel creative, I write in my journal or try drawing something. Rainy days are perfect for quiet, peaceful moments.
Do you prefer mornings or nights?
I prefer mornings because everything feels fresh and peaceful. I like the quiet and the feeling of starting a new day. I also feel more productive in the morning. However, at night I can relax and do things I enjoy, so both times have something special depending on my mood.
What motivates you to study English?
I'm motivated to study English because it helps me reach my goals. I want to travel, meet new people, and maybe work in an international company. English is used all over the world, so knowing it gives me more opportunities. Also, I feel proud of myself when I understand something new or speak more confidently.
What do you do when you feel bored?
When I feel bored, I try to do something useful or fun. Sometimes I clean my room, listen to music, or watch a video in English. If I want to relax, I read a book or go for a short walk. I try not to waste time scrolling too much on social media. I like doing something small that makes me feel better.
What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week is Saturday. It's the start of the weekend, and I don't have to go to work or school. I can sleep a bit more, relax, and do something I enjoy. Sometimes I go out with friends, or I just spend time with family. Saturdays feel free and fun.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise at least 3 times a week. Sometimes I go for a walk or do light stretching at home. I also enjoy dancing or following short workouts from YouTube. Exercise helps me stay healthy and improves my mood. Even a little movement makes a big difference.
What do you usually do with your friends?
When I'm with my friends, we like to talk, eat, and laugh together. We sometimes go to a cafe, take photos, or watch a movie. If we stay at home, we cook something or play games. Being with friends makes me feel happy and less stressed.
Do you like learning by yourself or with others?
I like both, but learning by myself gives me more control over my time and pace. I can focus on what I need and review things when I don't understand. But learning with others is fun too, because I can practice speaking and get help. Sometimes I watch videos alone, and sometimes I study with friends.
What do you usually do when someone is feeling sad?
If someone is feeling sad, I try to listen to them and be kind. Sometimes people just need someone to talk to. I might say something encouraging or offer to spend time with them. Even small things, like sending a nice message, can help someone feel better.
What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I enjoy movies that are easy to follow and have a good story. I especially like romantic comedies, adventure films, and inspiring true stories. I also watch English movies with subtitles to help improve my listening. Good movies make me feel relaxed and happy.
What's something new you learned recently?
Recently, I learned some new English expressions and grammar rules. I also learned how to cook a new dish by watching a video online. I enjoy learning small things every day because over time, they really add up and help me grow.
Do you prefer city life or countryside life?
I like both, but I prefer the countryside because it's quiet and peaceful. There's more nature and life feels slower and more relaxed. The city has more jobs and activities, but it can be noisy and stressful. Sometimes I like to visit the city, but I enjoy living in a calm place.
How do you improve your English? Every day.
I try to do something in English every day, even if it's just for 10 or 15 minutes. I watch short videos, read simple articles, or listen to English music. I also write down new words and practice speaking by reading out loud. The key is to stay consistent and not give up,